Kia ora Year 12 and Year 11. This is question 2e from this year's school algebra exam. And we've got another log question. And as with the last video I did, it looks horrible, but if you understand the basics of log rules, it's fine. So I'm going to start with a quick revision of what I call the loopy thing. And the loopy thing is a way to remember what a log equation is all about. So suppose I've got log to base 5 of x is equal to 2. We can rewrite that as an ordinary old exponential equation. And it goes like this. 5 to the power of 2 is equal to x. And that's how we solve pretty much all log equations. And that's what we're going to do twice in this exam question. So just jot that down. I'm going to erase that so I've got a bit more space. So starting from the start, I'm going to start with log to base 3. And I'll rewrite it like this. 3 to the power of 1 is equal to all of that stuff there. So 3 to the power of 1 is equal to log to base 4 of the stuff inside the brackets. Okay, so 3 to the power of 1 is just 3. And now I have to do the loopy thing again. Just in case you're getting used to that, I'm going to write this equation out the other way around. Sometimes our brains work better when we do something in the same direction. Okay, so here we're going to go 4 to the power of 3 is equal to all of this stuff here. So 4 cubed is equal to this. And suddenly we've got rid of our logs. And this looks like a much easier problem. So 4 cubed is 64. I'm going to add 11 to both sides, and I get 75 is equal to 3 times this. Now I'm going to divide 3 by the 3. 25 is equal to 5 to the power of something. But we know that 25 can be written as 5 squared. So we're going to equate the powers, and we get 2 is equal to 4x minus 10, 12 is equal to 4x, and x is equal to 3.